the biggest challenge from the business owner every time they are talking to an IT to design their website is that they have no idea of what are the things that they need to consider in designing a website. So we are here to help you and guide you of the things that you need to know more about designing your business website. If your business is not in the internet, then soon it will be out of business. Statement comes from the famous Bill Gates, who's the former Microsoft CEO. And today, let me help you and guide you what are the things that you need to know when you are going to choose the best design for your website. Your website tells something about you and your company a lot. So, if you want to get a good impression of the people who are looking into your website, then here are the tips that you need to know. In choosing the theme for your website, you have to consider what industry are you in so that you can check the best style that will fit your company profile. I highly recommend to use Envato Market or the Theme Forest. Every businesses have their own unique concept, and because of that, you have to consider a lot of things like the themes, the colors, and also the content that you're going to put on your website in order to make it more beautiful at the same time, more organized when your customers or clients is looking into it. Next is to choose the top 3 colors for your company website. These should match the colors of your logo, especially if these colors represents different symbols. The same with the font. You can also choose 3 fonts for your title, body text, and footer. Don't forget to add the social media icons. The top 3 social media icons are Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Introducing the 5 important pages of the website. Google as the top search engine requires a minimum of 5 pages as their standard for ranking your website on the search engine. This is home, about us, product or services, terms and conditions, and privacy policy. Another important thing is the content. So you can find a company profile and history, testimonials, feedbacks or partners, products or services descriptions, best offers, and blogs on the website content. Normally, if your target audience is looking for a background and also brief introduction of your company, they will find it on the blogs and also the current events. After your prospect client have read everything they need to know more about your company background, they will surely click on the call to action button. This is where they are going to send their inquiries, questions, and concerns. Make sure you have established a call to action button. Plus, invite them to subscribe on the weekly newsletter so that they can get updates on what was going on with your company. Before launching your website, make sure you have conducted a quality assurance check. Check all the functionalities, search for broken links, make a test order for e-commerce website, try the call to action button, and subscription newsletter. After you have tested everything and it's working fine, you are now ready for the big day, your website launching. Congratulations! Mobile responsiveness is so important because most of the website visitors are using their mobile phones every time they are going to browse a certain website. And those are the things that you need to know when you are going to tell your IT to design a website for your company. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kelly Cyberpreneur, and click the bell button to get notified every time we're going to upload new videos. Thank you so much!